Hello everybody, this is Leslie of Silver Moon Creations and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 4 of the October ATC challenge hosted by Toni over at Toni's Witchy Art and Crafts. So today we are working on Witch. So I prepared one of my cards. I used one of my papers that had a celestial type of theme behind it. And then Misty had sent me this cute little witch, so I'm going to use her. And then from one of my paper pads, I have this where it says it's the season of the witch. So I made that a lot smaller. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this tulle with all these round sparkles over the top, and we're going to go from there. So I hope everybody is enjoying this. I think this is really fun. These don't take a long time to do. So it makes it very easy to get a lot done in a very short period of time. Especially, I know there's a lot of people that have already made all of theirs. Kudos to them. All right, now let's see what we've got here. So I know I wanted to put her riding across this way. And then I was thinking of, I gotta cut this down a little bit. And the other thing too is I can never cut straight. I was going to put that on the corner, I think. And if I have to cut it off, I will cut it off. Maybe we'll put her up a little bit more. I wanted her to be on an angle. And then, oh, I know. If I can find it. I have this cute little white cat. I would need one to be sitting up straight, which I don't have with me out here. Do I want to add any type of lace? Because I'm all about the lace. All right, so let me come back. I'm going to cut this and then we will lay all our pieces down. And we'll do that together. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, I had to finish this one kind of off camera. So we have our witch card now completed. So we have day 4 in the bag. So all I did was I added a little bit of lace down on the bottom and a little bit of lace up on the top. And if I want to embellish it at some point a little bit more, if I want to use it in a journal, I can certainly do that, but I have the basic card right here, and in my opinion this is really all it needs. But I think it came out really cute, and so I hope you enjoyed day 4, and I will see you all tomorrow for day 5, and that is Black Cat. Take care, everybody.